Hey everybody, so who's got 3 packages and 4 thumbs? These guys. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D.
You've got mail.
Alright, so welcome to Mailbag Monday. If you're new around here or you haven't yet done it, we'd really appreciate it if you'd click that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Yes, I always have a hard time saying subscribe.
Ding.
So
Ding, 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 ding.
somebody out there was awesome and sent us some more packages.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all from Amazon, and it isn't anybody that we know because they all went to the PO. Well, that doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it went to the PO box address, so it wasn't anybody that knew us personally. So these two came in one day, and this came in first. So let's open that one first.
This one. Okay, how do I open this?
I have a feeling. Well, they give you a perforation to tear on there, but I can never get it to tear, so I always end up cutting it. But if you just grab
right
it, like,
here?
where this line is right here, I have a feeling this may be a straggler left over from the stuff that Scott McClellan had sent us last week.
No, I can't.
And
do it.
yeah, I can never get them either. It's like you tear it perforation to open, and then I don't know. I got lucky. And don't say you loosened it, because I opened it from the other end.
Show off.
So. Go ahead, take it out, take it out, take it out. You could have taken the notes out too.
It's more of Dad's candy.
And that's what it is. It is a follow-up. Because Scott had said, Scott sent me the email, he had said that it went out in 4 packages, and I believe that was number 4 right there. And it says, a gift from Scott McClellan, enjoy your gift. So thank you, Scott. It's much appreciated.
We got more candies, yay.
I always love me some candies. So it is, we got some more snowflake candy mints, and these are strawberry, and these are sugar-free. So
And fat-free.
And fat-free, yeah. Those two kind of go together hand in hand. So it's really awesome to me that I mean, I know that I've mentioned it a few times that I'm diabetic and that I don't get to eat the candy.
You are diabetic.
And yeah, I know, I just said that.
You are diabetic.
So, but I think it's awesome that people like Scott listen to that. You guys that pay attention to us to that level of detail, it's just, it's awesome. It's kind of a little creepy, but I guess that's what we get for putting our life out there. So, all right. So, thank you, Scott. It's greatly, greatly appreciated. The other stuff what are you doing?
I'm peeling it off.
Oh. How about if I just...
No! Okay, fine.
Might be time to change this blade. But yeah, the other stuff that you sent us, Scott, is going to good use.
Hopefully the package wasn't supposed to be safe. Ooh.
Do you even have any idea what that is?
No, I really don't.
A gift for you. Hi, fun. Enjoy your gift from Ronald Muldrig. For those of you who don't know, Ron is Uncle Ron. And Uncle Ron is far too kind to us and sends us things all the time and takes care of my family pretty well. And I have my glasses on. I can't see what diameter that is. I believe that's 1/4 inch. This is the plastic wire loom for the FK-1 so that I can make the harnesses, and they will be chafe free. So thank you, Uncle Ron. It is greatly, greatly appreciated. Now, he did actually tell me that was coming. I didn't know that was what that was, but...
There's some weight to this one.
Some weight to that one, huh?
Yeah.
Do we have to wait to open it then?
Yes.
Okay, we'll just wait because there's some weight. I don't want to cut through the product, so...
Ooh.
That would be why we have some weight to. Oh, there's more stuff in there. All right, we got a set of crimping tools for the Dupont connectors.
And we got more of these.
And we got more wire wrap. That's what I want to see. I like to see the notes. Well, these are like big notes. They didn't cut them up. Hey, Glenn, just a couple of items I hope that will help with the FK-1. See you guys soon from Uncle Ron. Thank you so much, Uncle Ron. And these are going to come in very, very handy. Believe it or not, we are at the point of making wiring harnesses for the FK-1, so perfect timing on all of this.
I was gonna make a hat out of that.
I'll make a hat out of you.
That's not possible.
I used to do that to you when you were a baby. I'd wear you like a hat. You'd laugh. I just told that story publicly. So thank you guys. Thank you, Scott. Thank you, Uncle Ron. Uncle Ron, you are far too kind. You have supported this project quite a bit, and it is greatly appreciated.
I can't see.
Now if somebody could send some mental health help for my child because he's weird. Thank you guys. Thank you to everybody that sends stuff in. If you would like to send us a note, a card, hate mail, doesn't matter what. If you'd like to send us anything, there is a P.O. Box address down in the description below. We would love to hear from you. You are so weird. As always, we thank you for tuning in. We'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thumbs ups are always appreciated as well. And as always, until next time, print on!